dear viewer. Wait, do I have something in my teeth? Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be talking about whether or not plot holes matter. And I will be highlighting the film The Dark Knight Rises. Whether that film is any good or not up for debate here. I really don't care either way. I am only discussing whether or not plot holes make or break a film, if they matter. Do they? Stay tuned. I will give you the quick answer, but we're still finding that. For the two plot holes I'm referring to, it's where Bruce comes back to Gotham City from being imprisoned by Bane. You know, weird underground place. How did he get back to Gotham? Or how did he manage to get all that, I'm guessing it's lighter fluid, to paint a humongous bat signal on the Gotham Bridge? How will they do that? It's not explained. He just randomly appears back in Gotham. Oh yeah, by the way, Gordon, light her up. Oh sorry, light her up. And then what happens? A huge bat signal on the Bat Bridge gets lit up for everyone to see, including Bane himself.
Impossible.
Yeah, that's exactly it. It should be impossible. So how did it happen?
I don't have a clue.
Now you think that a super intelligent person like Batman would want to sneak up on his enemies rather than announce his presence to everyone? But no. Then again, I guess that's about theatrics. That's what Batman's all about, isn't it? Theatricality. But the two plot holes here: how did he get back to Gotham? And how did he get all that lighty fluid stuff that ignites the bat signal that he painted on the wall of the bridge? Well, here's the thing. Does it really matter? No, really, does it? Does it stop you from enjoying the film? Because to me, it doesn't. Are you the kind of person who basically goes looking for plot holes when you watch films? And I don't mean as a living, because there are some people on YouTube who do that as a living. They point out plot holes and come up with theories, etc, etc. But as a casual viewer or as a fan, do you go looking deliberately for plot holes in films and TV shows? Is there any point to doing that? And does looking for plot holes ruin your enjoyment of a film? Well, because to me it really depends on the plot hole. Unless of course you're watching a film where logic and also physics go completely out the window anyway, and it doesn't matter. What I will say, however, is that it helps if that film has its own established set of rules. And what I mean by that is, if it chucks logic out the window and things change just to suit the narrative of the film, that's when things start to go downhill. Nothing is consistent, things just don't make proper sense. And when that happens, basically the film starts to fall apart. Oh yeah, this guy can use these powers because it suits his part of the plot, even though he's never going to use it again, or we're not going to bother to explain this particular thing or why this guy does this, and we're going to hope that you don't notice because maybe we're lazy.
Not a great plan.
Yeah, because sometimes the writers are like that. We've seen it plenty of times in Hollywood thus far. You would be so far, because I really hope that I'm making sense here. The other thing is, our brains have a habit of trying to piece things together to make sense of things. So if there are major plot holes and too many inconsistencies, then our brains are going to start to think, what the heck is going on? That doesn't add up. What's going on there? Why is this happening? Lou?
Wow, I just got a big headache.
And I would say that that's when the plot holes start to bother me. When the inconsistencies just start to add up. And you have to suspend your disbelief only so far, to the point where you just get a headache from trying to watch the film. Also, if someone points out a plot hole in a film you didn't notice before, and it's a film that you've always enjoyed, does it suddenly make that film a rubbish to you? Do you now think, ugh, that film now sucks?
How dare you?
Good question. It should not stop you from enjoying said film. Not really.
Agreed.
One bit of advice I will give you right now is, if you're going to spoil a film in any way, make sure that you're smart enough to avoid them finding out it was you who spoiled it for them. Okay? Unless of course it's the kind of film that no one really cares about watching anyway. In which case, go ahead and spoil that film as much as you want, because who cares? In the meantime, all the best, have a cup.